Have you ever thought of having an extra set of hands to handle your support questions and book meetings without the overhead? What if you could stop dropping customer questions, never lose another lead, and keep your schedule packed, all without hiring extra staff? Meet your new AI voice assistant powered by ElevenLabs. Greets every visitor, answers your top FAQs, and book calls in real time for you. In a single conversation, this AI assistant can resolve support questions like product setup, pricing tiers, and troubleshootings as well, and then seamlessly lock in the perfect meeting time. So you'll never miss a sale or leave a customer hanging while you're off the clock. Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm from Kili-Ai, and in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to integrate ElevenLabs voice assistant into your website. I'll take you step by step through creating ElevenLabs voice model, embedding the widget on your site, hooking it up to your support knowledge base, connecting your calendar for instant bookings, and finally, test it live so you can go from zero to fully automated AI assistant in under 10 minutes. If you got excited, head down to the description and book your free consultation call now. Alright, let's dive right in.
Hi there, I'm Harper from Kili-Ai. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm Thomas from company ABC. I'd like to book a call with Kili-Ai.
Hi Thomas, thanks for reaching out. I'd love to help you set up a call. Could you please let me know your email address and if you have a preferred date and time for the meeting?
Yeah, of course, but first things first. Please, what services do you offer at Kili-Ai?
Absolutely, happy to give you a quick overview. At Kili-Ai, we specialize in conversational AI solutions like intelligent voice agents, advanced chatbots, and smart automation tools. Our services are designed to streamline customer engagement, automate repetitive tasks, and boost operational efficiency, whether you want to improve customer support, drive sales, or gather insights. Is there a particular area you're hoping to enhance within your business?
Yeah, I think I'd like some assistant to answer frequently asked questions on my website. And do you think we can schedule a call now?
That sounds like a great fit. Our conversational AI agents can handle FAQs on your website with natural human-like responses, freeing up your team and improving customer satisfaction. Yes, we can absolutely schedule a call now. Could you share your email address and let me know your preferred time for the meeting?
Yes, of course. It's Thomas at companyabc.com.
Thanks, Thomas. And just to confirm, do you have a specific date and time in mind for our call? Or would
Yeah,
you like me to suggest?
I think
Great.
Monday in the morning should be good. Around 9, let's say.
Okay, give me a sec while I check our availability for Monday morning at 9. Great news, Monday at 9 in the morning is available. Would you like me to go ahead and book this slot for you? And just to confirm, your full name is Thomas and your company is ABC, correct?
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. Booking your call now for Monday at 9 in the morning. Okay, give me a sec. Your call is all set for Monday, July 21st from 9 to 9:30 in the morning. You'll receive a calendar invite at your email shortly. If you have any questions before then, just let me know. Looking forward to chatting with you, Thomas.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're very welcome, Thomas. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. If anything comes up, just reach out.
Alright guys, so you saw it in action. This was our sales agent that we have on our website. And now let's jump into building one for your business. So firstly, you go to ElevenLabs.io and you obviously need to sign in. I think you'll have some free credits to start with, so you don't have to upgrade to any plan. Once you sign in, you go to Voices right here and we'll go to Agents. Here you can see our sales agent that we have on our website, but we'll build one from scratch. So you go to New Agent. We want to go to blank one here. Let's call it Sales Test. Create an agent. And here we are. So in the agent language, you obviously choose the language you want the assistant to communicate. You can also choose additional languages. Since we're based in Czech Republic, I'll go ahead and paste the Czech language as well. In the first message, that's obviously the greetings for your customers when they start calling the voice agent. You can just go ahead to our doc that we'll be sharing with you down in the description. you can just paste it right here or adjust it. We have first message, hi there, I'm Harper from Kili-Ai. How could I help you today? Pretty easy, nothing complex, so good to start with. We can go to translate all if you have the secondary language as well. And I believe, yes, it got translated. Ahoj, jsem Harper z Kili-Ai, jak vám dnes mohu pomoci, which is in Czech. So that works, and we can go right to the system prompt. So now it's pretty easy. You go to our doc, you can copy and paste the system prompt that we are using, and obviously you adjust the system prompt for your business. So you can just put it to ChatGPT or another LLM that you like to use, and you can change the crucial details. Just for your information, we've covered it in our past videos, but we have personality here described, some environment, so basically some info about our company and what task does the AI assistant have. We have tools here, so obviously he needs to check availability on our calendar in advance to book a meeting for our potential customers. Then we have tone here, how he communicates, what phrases does he use, and stuff like that. We also have some additional notes, so our AI assistant does pauses as a real human being, also pronounces special characters and stuff like that, so you can read through it. I won't cover everything here, but you can just copy and paste it to your LLM and adjust the changes so it matches your business. So I just pasted it here, and we can move to other settings. We'll leave the Gemini 2.0 Flash. It's pretty cheap, no need to change it. You can also choose from other LLMs, but we'll be sticking with Gemini 2.0. Temperature, this basically controls the creativity of your AI assistant, but I would honestly recommend you to put it a bit down so he doesn't hallucinate that much, and we'll keep it around 0.3. Yeah, 0.35 should be alright as well. And here we have the agent knowledge base. We can add documents, we can add URL. I'll just add our URL to our Kili-Ai website. Yeah, this was not complete, obviously, so I'll go here and copy and paste it. So it takes information from your website. You also can add files, which is a PDF with your company details, or you can just put together some text that you upload right here. But I'll just keep the URL there. So in the tool description, you can adjust the actions that your AI assistant can do. We won't be adjusting anything here, but you can, for instance, end the call. You just describe with a prompt when should the assistant end the call. And also some other stuff. You can detect another language as well, but we will be skipping this part, so you have it ready sooner than later. MCP servers, we don't need that for today's video. Before we go ahead, I'll just add our custom tools so our AI assistant can actually check the availability in our calendar and essentially schedule a call. I'll go right here. We have it pre-made, but I'll walk you through it. Once you add a new tool, this is how it's gonna look. You just name it. Here's the description. So what our assistant will do is to look in the calendar and check the availability. Now we need to jump to N8N right here. This is the scenario that our AI assistant uses. We just take the webhook. Alright, from here we need to jump to N8N to actually run the AI assistant. No worries, we'll be sharing both of the scenarios in the descriptions as well, so you can just upload it to your N8N and adjust the details. So once you start building your N8N workflow, you go to webhook, and here we have the test URL. You can choose the production URL as well. It's just that you can test it first and then go live with the production URL, but we'll be copying the production URL right here. Then the response time, we can leave it as it is. Here you need to put the description, so find availability to schedule a meeting. And here are the properties that our AI assistant will be getting. So you add a new property, I'll delete it, but here you set the data type to string. Here you put date, the value type is LLM prompt, and the description is the date or dates user requested. Alright, this is for the date, and for the time, everything stays the same except for the identifier, which is time, and the description, the time or times the user requested. This is all from setting the custom tools for check availability. We gotta save it right here, and we need to add another tool, which is booking the calendar itself. It's the same as the last one, books a calendar. Here in the description we put a create and books an event in the calendar. Method, post again, URL, production or test, as you want to test it or go live right now. Response time stays the same, and here in the body parameters we adjust the description, when the user wants to book a call, and properties. As it was in the last tool, we adjust the description, the date to book the meeting for, and the same for getting an email. We can identify and send the confirmation to our customer's email, the email to use to send the invite to. In the properties section, we also have the time and the full name. You can just copy and paste the descriptions as well. And this is it from setting our tools in ElevenLabs. We just go ahead and save it right here. And guys, in the N8N scenarios, it's pretty easy. You need to edit some additional details. So in the N8N section, once you import it, it looks something like this. All you gotta do is to adjust the webhook right here. HTTP method is the same, post. Once you actually test your N8N workflow, this fills in automatically. We have the data and time section, so our AI assistant knows what time and date it is. And here in the AI agent, we have our OpenAI connected. You need to connect your API here for your OpenAI, and in the AI agent, you have it all preset, so you don't have to adjust anything. Just for your information, this is a prompt for user message. So what the AI agent will get, what information he will receive. And in the system message, this is basically the system prompt. You don't have to adjust anything, so it books right for you. Here we obviously need to check our calendar and get all events from our calendar. So with these properties, you just sign into your Google account and it will be all connected. And the last part is the respond webhook. We want our assistant to respond with all incoming items. So this is all for the check calendar tool. And in the scheduling meeting tool, it's actually almost the same. You have to adjust the HTTP method to post. Here is the same as in the previous workflow, and you don't have to adjust anything here as well. So also connecting our Google Calendar to our Google account, and respond to webhook is the same as the previous one as well. We also have the OpenAI. Our AI agent is managed with the model GPT-4o Mini, which is more than enough. Alright guys, don't forget to active your workflows right here in N8N. This should be it for setting our assistant. One last thing is the widget right here. It's actually a new feature that ElevenLabs upgraded some little time ago. So all you gotta do for this fancy looking widget on your website is to take the code and put it to your website so it can appear right here. You can obviously adjust the avatar, how it's gonna look. You can adjust the colors. For instance, on our website, we have it orange. This is a new feature. It looks pretty cool, so I'd recommend you to put it on your website if you have one. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you got some real value from it. Let me know in the comments how was it for you building one of these AI assistants, if you were following our steps, and if you got any concerns about implementing AI solutions in your business, just book a call with us and we'll be happy to walk you through the process. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.